So today, my brother is out with my dad. My dad's playing, so he took his daughter and he's meeting his girlfriend there and watching my dad play. But he's been waiting for this for over 2 months. I think he ordered it in March, and it was on back order and finally came today. I've already got the old one mostly removed on his car. Unfortunately, we're thinking his car might have a bad head gasket, so it can't really drive anywhere. But I want to try to get it on there before he gets home. Hopefully I can do that before he gets here. Otherwise, it is what it is, but I just figured it'd be a cool thing to do and maybe surprise him in a little bit, some sort of way. So there is no before and after because I didn't even think I was going to do it. I just figured was looking at it and I was just like, I'm just going to do it. And there's 4 hangers that I'm trying to get off here, but the hangers on the stock exhaust are really, really rusty. I'm gonna try to use, I've got like a little rubber mallet, but essentially I removed 2 nuts and there's 4 hangers to get off. So that was it. That was all it was holding up. It's just a catback exhaust. It's nothing super aggressive. I'm gonna see if this will do the trick. Just gonna try to bang those hangers out of place and see what happens. This is awful. But up in here, I don't know if the phone will work. Let me turn on my flash. There we go. Look how bad this hanger is. And that's how they all are. There's one up and behind here on the other side. And then obviously it's a dual exhaust, so I've got to do the same thing on the opposite side here. So I'm just going to try to bang it with the mallet and see how that goes. Okay, so I've been at this for a little bit. Essentially what I'm doing is using a pickle fork and a flathead to just kind of wedge in between and really push on these hangers. And once the exhaust is out, then I'll see about putting the new one in. I don't know if I can do that by myself, but we'll see. So I got the hangers off, and then I found out there's a little guy right there that I totally missed. So this hanger down here is being a real pain. So kind of on a time crunch here. So the exhaust is out. I just need to see about cleaning off the downpipe there. He's gonna be home in a minute though, so well, he's home, so, and I'm not done.
What the fuck, dude?
I tried, dude. I'm like halfway done. I tried to have it on by the time you got home, but I had such a problem. With the hangers, and it just took me forever.
Did you start this thing without the...
No.
No?
No, why? Do you want to?
Yeah, let's fucking start it.
Nice. Sounds like a Subaru, man. Give it a little bit. Nice. Look at that fucking flange. That's a nice fucking flange right there. All right, so we got the mid pipe on. It's a little out of whack here, but that's just because the other half isn't on.
Yeah, it still needs to be hanging up. Hold on a second.
How's it going?
Very badly. I don't know. Should we tighten this down first? See if it'll make a connection, or?
I guess. Okay, let's see. Here you go.
Oh, you're not gonna talk?
It's leaking right in the center. Yeah. I can hear it. It's got a slight leak where it meets the downpipe, and I kind of was anticipating that because the donut gasket like rust welded itself to the downpipe. I mean, I tried to do it without him here, but it just didn't work out that way. Yeah, dude, it's really bad. Oh, maybe Mike can fix it when he has it. So Mike is the mechanic I use for like stuff that I don't like to work on, like if I installed a set of cams or something. Like I'm not gonna do that myself because I don't have the tools for it, nor have I ever done it. He's a professional, he does it all the time, so I'd rather just give it to him and pay him for the good work. So he gives it to Mike. I guess Mike can try to fix the exhaust leak.